It's mad to think that it's nearly 3 years since Songbird was shot. It was shot in August 2016 in the heart of the Midlands across various locations. The film was finished in November 2017 and we've been enjoying a fantastic festival run since then. It's really been picking up steam lately and it's wonderful to see Songbird shown at venues all over the world. What's been perhaps even more incredible than the film's festival run is the response it's had and the reactions from all of you online. We've been overwhelmed by your support over the last 3 years. Back in 2016, we launched 2 funding campaigns to help get the film made and then to help get it finished and also to fund our festival run. The film's funding campaigns offered us a great opportunity to connect with you guys, and it also gave you guys the opportunity to get your hands on a copy of the film, to pre-order it before it was even finished, and you guys ordered many digital downloads and DVD copies well ahead of the film's festival run. It was always our intention to make these DVDs limited edition and to not release them to the general public, and at the moment we still have no intentions to do a full public run of DVD sales. But we also know that a few of you did miss out on the funding campaigns, and we've had many enthusiastic messages from people wanting to get their hands on a copy of the film. Due to popular demand, we have gone into our archives and looked at what was and wasn't sold during the film's 2 funding campaigns. And we do have some DVDs left. 60 Region 2 for UK and Europe, and 40 Region 1 for the USA. We didn't see much point in letting our surplus stock just sit at the back of the cupboard any longer, so we are going to do one final DVD sale just to use up the stock that we already have. We are going to release those DVDs to buy on our website from the 23rd of May this year. As well as having the opportunity to hold a physical copy of Songbird in your hands and put it on your DVD shelf, these DVDs also feature exclusive bonus features, such as the extended cut of the film, deleted scenes, and also the film's making of documentary. At the moment, we do not intend on putting any of these online, so this could be your last chance to get your hands on those as well. We will of course be putting the money from the DVD sales towards further festival submissions for Songbird, so that we can continue its festival run right up until November this year and hopefully show the film at more festivals around the world, because we always want to bring it to new audiences when we can. Thank you for your support.